Hey everybody, happy Friday to you all. Hope everybody's having a blessed and amazing Friday on this fine Friday. Hope you're staying warm. I know it's cold, but God woke you up this morning, started you on your way. That's another way to give God the glory, the praise, because God deserves all of our praises. God is an awesome God. He is a great God. So I want you guys to love up on people today. Be patient with that person today. And show God's love. Have a blessed and amazing weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday. Love y'all. Ain't nothing to do about it. God bless you.